And special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their 9-piece jumbo spiral flute extractor set. This would be able to help you get nuts or bolts that are rusted, painted, etc. that you can't get out. You'd be able to get them out with this item. So it comes in this nice carrying case with this nice plastic over it. So let's open it on up and take a look at it. So you have a nice little slide and lock here, and then it opens with all these pieces. Look at that. So you have all of your sizes mentioned right here, as well as the type of carbon steel coating, etc. And then even down here, you have everything nicely labeled for you. So these are super heavy duty. They're even labeled on the actual item here. So absolutely amazing at this kind of stuff. I didn't know this really existed. It looks like they give you 2 of these, because these look to be identical. But basically, if a nut or bolt is rusted over, painted over, you'd be able to use this and get that extracted and out. So that's everything that would come inside of this. Each one individually labeled and ready to go for you. And that should do it for this unboxing. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.